little cameo from Scott there. Hi guys, I will be doing a 24-hour in the Romeo mules today. I've not got them on as a mule. I've got them on like flipped up, just because I feel like that makes more sense. And also you can't see that they're a mule from the outfit anyway. So Arcana denim, balenciaga super busy bag, Arcana tee, that's for next year, and Arcana denim jacket. It's actually a cancelled sample, but yeah. So yeah, I'm going into central London now, and that is what today's video is going to be about. We're going to be seeing what these are saying. Okay, if you watched my unboxing of them, you'll realise I said that they're extremely like slippy underneath. This lighting is terrible. Okay, even just walking downstairs, I nearly slipped and fell and died. So I'm gonna have to like scuff these up before I leave the house, because otherwise I will just slip on the tube and fall on my face. Okay, so I have my sandpaper and I have the shoes. This is probably gonna destroy anyone's soul who like loves these shoes and doesn't want to see them sandpapered up, but it's gonna happen. I'm not quite sure how to vlog this. Put you in my chin and hopefully okay, so I've scuffed them up a little bit. I hope that gives me just a little bit more grip on everything. And obviously these cannot be returned. Look who I've met up with for lunch.
Hi.
Estelle. My French friend. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Super. We're going to have the fries, aren't we, Joel?
Yeah.
We're going to be naughty and have the fries.
She's treated me to the Five Guys, so...
Yeah, but you treated me to the burger and I owed it back to you.
Yeah, this is true. So yeah, I'm going to eat now. Panic, we've not even eaten our food yet, because we're sat down and Estelle was going to show me something on her phone, realising she did not have her phone. We went to Pret like half an hour ago. I called her phone. She was looking for it in Five Guys, and then
Nearly had a cardiac and I cried and oh God.
A guy answered the phone and said, "Hello, you left your phone in Pret?"
Oh my God, I actually feel sick. I can't even enjoy my burger now, my casual fries.
I'm shocked.
Yeah, I'm shaking.
But I'm so glad someone's got it. Let's go get it. We're gonna go get it.
Lucky stars, lucky stars.
Gonna go get it.
Yeah, we've got it now.
What we think happened was Estelle when she was getting coffee, she put her gloves down and her phone was under her gloves. And then we just left and we went on walkabouts around the garden.
Yeah.
So
I just get, I don't know.
You know, this vlog is actually me testing these shoes for the first time.
Oh,
and
I
now,
love those. Where are they from?
I love a long toe, yeah. You said I love a long toe.
Love a long toe.
And I said, I'm going to test them today, and now I've ran halfway through Covent Garden to find Estelle's phone.
How
so yeah,
finding those long
so
toes
comfy, very comfy.
That's it. So that's the thing. Lose your phone and then test the new shoe with a long toe, and then it's all good, isn't it?
I'm so glad we found your phone though.
I know. I'm just.
That would be a really bad day.
I feel winded.
Yeah.
I feel winded by like, the whole thing. I'm gonna need like a full on like 3 weeks or 4 weeks to just get over that. It's gonna, you know, when it like traumatized. Yeah. Yeah. Like some retail therapy.
We could do that today.
But I first passed through there in a, you know, like the sock shops. There's a sock shop in there.
There's a sock shop?
Yeah, no, not a sock shop.
What's that movie where you like relive the same day?
I don't know.
Do you know what I mean?
Back to the Future?
I don't think so. I don't know what it is. But
so we're here now with we was like, right, shall we finish what we were talking about? So we now have 2 ketchups. And we're extra we did a couple more steps now, didn't we?
Yeah, so now we can eat more.
Yeah, we can do more.
The Romeo mule still going strong. They're actually really comfy, very soft leather.
I love them. You're
very
nice.
nice.
I just love them. They look so.
I look like Gru from Minions. Do you know what I mean?
No, I don't know.
I'll show you. Hey guys, please ignore the terrible lighting. As you can see, it is pitch black outside and it's 4 o'clock. These are some of the comfiest Balenciaga shoes I've ever worn. They literally are so soft. They're so comfortable. They've got loads of space because of the long toes at the front. They are genuinely a dream to wear. They are genuinely a dream to wear. I know I've not been wearing them for 24 hours exactly, but I am going out for breakfast with me and Scott tomorrow, so I might wear them again then. He does hate them though, but I don't give a fuck. So, so yeah, I'm really, really happy with how comfortable they are. And they're so light, like compared to Santiago as well. Santiago feel hefty, whereas these are like a breath of fresh air. I've had to come home now because I'm dropping the pre-order link for the Arcana glove top at 5, which is very soon. So I need to prepare that email and get it ready. I'm feeling pretty nervous. So yeah. Good morning guys, it is day 2 of Romeo mule testing and me and Scott are going for breakfast in Central. So I'm wearing my Arcana ripped denim again, just a plain black tee, Arcana Orbit zip up hoodie and a bomber jacket from AS Clo, just like the biggest bomber jacket I've ever owned. So yeah. Because the shoe is too long, so I have to walk up the stairs on the ball of my foot. We got to Oxford Circus, but it's rooted, so we got the hoods up. You silent, Scottsif. You're playing silent partner. Like a ghost. We're gonna get coffee from Joan Juice and then head to Fallow, which I'm very excited about. Scott, what do you think of my shoes?
They're ridiculous.
To be honest, he called them clown shoes before. Da, 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 da. It's hot, isn't it? What are you wearing today, Scottsif?
From this new upcoming designer.
It's very nice. Good. Was that good, Scott?
It's not good.
What I just did, my kicks.
Oh yeah. It's amazing.
Good morning, guys. I went out last night with my friends to see Romy in Brixton. Incredible gig. Romy was amazing. Well, I'm very hungover today, and I was editing this vlog, and I realised that I never gave you a conclusion or a roundup of the Romeo mule. So, comfort-wise, 10 out of 10. Usually, Balenciaga boots and shoes you have to wear them in. Even after they get worn in, they still hurt a lot. Like, steroid boots hurt, trooper boots, kind of not that comfortable, the leather ones, and the rubber ones are impossible. Yeah, that's all the boots and shoes. Hummer boots are actually very comfortable. However, Santiago boots, also comfortable, but very heavy. These, Romeo mule, are lightweight, comfortable from the first wear. As I said, I wore them with the heel up. I'll probably wear them as a mule when the outfit calls for it, or maybe more in the summer. But I love the silhouette it leaves. But I love the silhouette that it gives to an outfit. As you can see me dancing around in central London with my toes pointing out. Yeah, I just love how it looks. I love all the looks from the spring 24 collection using them as well. Definitely inspiring my outfits at the moment. So yeah, so I think they're really sick. Would recommend. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to cop a pair. I size down, so I'm usually a 42. I'm a 42 in most Balenciaga sneakers, and then I size down to a 41 in the Romeo Mule. So I hope this video has helped if you were kind of thinking about them, or if you were just intrigued by them and their long toe and how they perform out in the wild. Stairs, yeah, I did find myself like walking on the balls of my feet on stairs, because obviously some stairs are so small that you can't even fully get your shoe on them. So you kind of have to sometimes go sideways up the stairs. But as long as you're aware of how long, so it's like having a car that's bigger. You know, you go from like a Fiat 500 to a Range Rover. You're just more aware of the size of the vehicle, which is the same for a big shoe, steroid boots, trooper boots, hard Crocs. You're just aware that you've got a bigger piece of kit and you're going to have to make slight adjustments in your daily life. So that's how I see it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in next week's video. Oh, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok as well. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions in the comments. See you soon. Bye.